In front of me is Nubia RedMagic 10A, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll again to choose Device Unlock. Hit Screen Lock here and tap on one of those login methods you wish to set up: pattern, PIN or complex password. Create it, and if you made a mistake, hit Clear at the bottom left corner and redo it correctly. Then choose Next at the bottom right one. Repeat it to confirm it. Hit Confirm. And if you want to manage some lock screen settings, click on this gear next to Screen Lock and operate all of those, like pattern visibility when you enter it. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can set pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!